So I just got to Aldi and I'm still waiting on my mom and my sister to get here. They both live, well, they both are driving separately, and I think my dad's coming with my mom, so it's like a family affair. But they each live about 20-25 minutes from here, and I only live about 10 minutes, so I beat them here. But something funny, before I was walking out the door, Alex was going to work and I was leaving, and he's like, don't go out and buy no more food, because we just went to the grocery store yesterday. I said, why? I was like, what you been doing, reading my text messages? He said, well, you did last week, because I tend to go to the grocery store sometimes when I'm at work, and I'll grab things to eat for lunch throughout the week, and then I'll bring them home if I don't eat them, and it aggravates him. So he just doesn't like to waste. He's really good about that. But yeah, he says don't go get no more food, and here I am going to Aldi. I'm gonna try not to buy a whole lot. I just want to see what they have. I know that they have a lot of stuff a little bit cheaper as far as snacks goes for the girls, so that's what I'm going to check out. And I'm going to see if they have an Aldi brand Lunchable, because for some reason the Lunchables at Walmart have been $1.78 for the past like 6 months, and that is just too much for a Lunchable, and my girls love them. So I'm going to check out Aldi and see what I can find in there. I was wondering what was taking these slow pokes so long, and then my sister just sends me a Snapchat, and she's in the Aldi parking lot. I mean the Arby's parking lot. That's her car right there, that white one. There she is, pulling in, thinking she's cool in those shades. I mean, who does she think she is, really? So this is my sister. She has a channel. It's called Connor and Carolina, but she refuses to make videos. Y'all tell her she needs to make some videos. What is her deal? She's a stay-at-home mom. It's not that hard. Well, I say that, but y'all check out my mom and dad. They can't handle themselves in here. This is like their first time. Well, it's my mom's first time, and she just doesn't know where anything is. It's so funny. So since I went to the grocery store yesterday, I literally only spent $7 in Aldi, but I'm going to show you real quick what I got. These hot dog buns and hot dog wieners. And I got chicken fries, because I used to love those when Burger King had those, and I'm sure the girls will love them. And then we're having hamburger helper tonight, so I went ahead and got some breadsticks to go with that. Yep, that's all I got. I had self-control, and Alex will be super happy. Gosh, I'm red. Okay, so I'm gonna head to Walmart real quick and just look around, take these shorts back, because I do have some cold stuff in the car. So let's go. So one thing about me that you guys might not know is I'm really impatient. That's like a big thing. One of my biggest, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but I'm really impatient, and there was this man walking through the parking lot, and I'm just sitting here waiting. I was like, could you walk any slower? So I drove around because I was trying to get a parking space up close. And as soon as I drove around, I got up to it, that man was cruising, walking through that parking space really slow. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. It's definitely Monday. Y'all, look at these little hats. They are so cute, and they're only $3. Really cute. I might get them and put them in the Easter basket. I don't know. Okay, never mind on those hats. They're actually adult hats. They'd probably fit Aubrey, but not Ansley, so I'm not gonna get them. I think I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree real quick, because a lot of this stuff is overpriced, and like these little bubble things. Hold on, let me show you. These are $1 at the Dollar Tree, but in here they're $1.98. So yeah. So I made it to Dollar Tree, and I found these cute little fans. They're battery powered, so I'm just gonna stick these in their Easter basket if they don't work. They're just $1, but I think they'll work, you know, as good as they should anyway. See, what did I tell you? These are at the Dollar Tree. They actually have a lot more in them, and they're only $1. Y'all, welcome to South Carolina, where people park like this every day. Maybe we should tell the tow truck. What do you guys think? I'm just kidding, but really, people seriously park like this. It's ridiculous. And since I haven't had any coffee today, I'm about to hit up the new Starbucks that just came in town, or just opened up in my town. We didn't have a Starbucks. We had one inside Ingalls, but now we have one inside the town that I live in. So that's awesome, and I'm gonna get me a coffee. Change of plans. When I was pulling out of the Dollar Tree, I saw both the trunks open to my parents. They were still at Aldi, and my sister, so I had to do a little pit stop. The only thing about getting a venti iced coffee is the ice takes a minute to get all of the coffee cold. Comment down below if you agree, because I have that problem every time I get this size, but if I get a grande or a tall, it's automatically cold. Y'all, you gotta be kidding. Look, okay, that's my sister pulling out of Aldi just now. I've been to Starbucks and everything. What in the world? So I'm walking around my house right now. I just got home because they just had to redo our concrete on the back porch, because we haven't lived here. Well, we've lived here like a little bit over a year and it already cracked. So we made them completely redo it. They were gonna try to patch it, and I was like, heck no, you're not patching that, having a big lump in the middle. Anyways, here's what it looks like now. All I gotta say is they better get somebody to come get that wood right there. Alright guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I have a couple other videos I'm going to film today, and it's my day off, so I need to get busy because I have to leave in about 10 minutes to get the girls from school. But you guys, I don't know when this video is going to go up, but it's going to go up sometime this week or next week. And thank you guys for watching another vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!